YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Chris back to y'all with another video. Today's video, as y'all can see from the title of the thumbnail, we're gonna be installing one of the most aggressive lips for the Supra. You feel me? So I did get the box. The box is big as hell for no reason. Here it is. Here's the car. It's already jacked up. Feel me? This big ass box for smallest lip. We already got the jack put up, everything like that. So as y'all know, I'm gonna show y'all what the lip looks like. I'm gonna show y'all what happened to the previous lip. Actually, if I still have a clip, I'm gonna drop it in here. I'm gonna show y'all what happened to the previous lip. Man, I felt like I put the lip on right the first time, but I didn't. And as y'all can see, that's what happened. If I still have that clip, which I still should have that clip. I think it's a picture actually. I'm gonna drop it in here. I'm gonna show y'all. Also, this car is so dirty, bro. After we put on this lip, we're gonna clean it. Cause that's ridiculous. I ain't gonna lie. We're gonna clean it after that. That is absolutely ridiculous. So we're gonna put this lip on. It shouldn't take no longer than 30 minutes. But now that I say 30 minutes, it's actually gonna turn into an hour. Cause you know how jobs get. When it's supposed to be 30 minutes, it doesn't take 30 minutes. Something pops up and turns into like 4-hour job. But for a lip, it shouldn't turn into no 4-hour job. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna install it. I'm gonna show a little bit of the process and stuff like that. We probably might head to a car meet too after this. So yeah, I'm gonna try to install it so we can probably head out to a car meet, wash it, vlog and everything like that. So, and if y'all like the lip, y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all tell me what else y'all wanna see in the Supra. Also, I do have some stuff that finally came. I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek. I'm gonna give y'all one box. I'm gonna show y'all one box and y'all go see what else I got for the Supra. It's not going on no time soon because I have to get some more stuff before I put those on. But I'm still gonna give y'all a sneak peek of what it is. So y'all stay tuned. Just give me a second. All right, guys. So out of that big ass box, it's just this. Literally, that's it. That big box, just for this. Like literally, bro. It's so small. So I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. Y'all probably seen it before, but for the people that don't know, I'm gonna show you guys. Give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna pull it out the wrapper. Well, here's the lip. It's the back of it. I'm gonna show y'all the front. I'm about to pull it out. I'm just gonna pull out the whole thing. No homo. Pause. I ain't mean it like that, but pause. Yo, pause. Yeah, I'm just gonna pull this out and I'm gonna show y'all. Give me 1 second. As y'all can see, here it go. Right here. With that being said, yeah, we're gonna put this on, and yeah, I'm just gonna show you as part of the process. I'm not gonna show you the whole thing because it's me showing, like literally putting it on the lip. But yeah, we're gonna put this on. Try to hurry up so we can make it to another car meet and vlog that too. You feel me? So yeah, stay tuned.
Two hours later.
All right, guys. So the whip is finally done. We had the car wash, as y'all can see. It's a selfless wash, so y'all boys don't get on me. You feel me? Selfless wash. I ain't gonna lie. I probably look like that right now. I'm a little dirty. I just finished. You feel me? I ain't gonna lie. I was delaying the process and shit. You feel me? I was doing a little this over here, and I was doing a little this over here.
Bro, stop taking my fucking kill, bro. Get the fuck on.
You feel me? And like I just finished late. You feel me? But we got it done. We did get it done. I'm gonna show you guys. The car is dirty, so I'm gonna just wash it off real quick. But I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. I ain't lie, that be look sexy, what? Should look mean and aggressive again. You feel me? And that shit is low. It's like really low. It looks absolutely on the ground. And with the other things that I am doing, it's gonna make, bro. It's gonna come all together, bro. Late night wash, you feel me? Late night, what is it, chef? For sure. So yeah, you feel me? You're gonna put this bad boy in a little wash and get it done. Let me see if I can get hop out the car and like wash it. Like watch it get
Hello,
washed.
welcome to our car wash. Please select your wash or enter your code now.
Oh, this should talk to you. Fancy. 0.
You have purchased the works wash. You may enter the wash if it is ready.
Let's show that. Oh, we finna do this quick.
Wash is now ready. Please drive in slowly following the
We finna try to do this. We finna try and do this. Hopefully it works. Hey man, we made it out. I'm gonna get washed right now. Let's see. Oh, no way, just wasting my. Oh, I was about to say. I'm about to go on the other side. Tell me, there she is. She getting that little washing. I ain't lie, this shit was much needed. This shit was so much needed, bro. It looks way more aggressive now, I ain't gonna lie. What? I thought that shit was broken, bro. I'm about to say, oh, hell no. Oh! Alright, man, so it didn't do the best, but it looks cleaner than what it was. I'm not gonna lie. Way cleaner than what it was. I gotta dry it off now, but it looks way cleaner, bro. Damn. She looked sexy and the lip stayed on, man. So right now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna head to a car meet. Probably not today, but I probably might head to one tomorrow, and I'll still add it into this video. You feel me? So stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned.
The next day.
Guys, we missed one of the burnouts because you know we had to get the eats, but oh man. Oh. Wait, why does shit look so long? Yeah, this is what DJ want, ain't it? Oh, yeah, he leaving. All right, we'll show that.
I'll do a burner right here.
Not enough space for it, bro. Don't do it. Oh, hell no. I would have died. Gang.
Well, I did.
That's it. That man had his foot out the window, dog. Damn. Look at the smoke, bro.
Stupid.
Yeah. I look like a dumbass.
That Cartier is beautiful, bro. Appreciate it. It's the real.
God damn.
Spin that shit. Okay. That big ass truck. I want to hear that shit. Yo, what the hell? A big ass truck came out of nowhere and hit that shit. He said he got a show for us. So. Watch the mic. Hey, that boy got it, boy. That boy got it, boy. That boy Tony hit at me. That boy hit that shit, boy. That boy hit that shit. Damn. Yeah. So good. God damn. No, that's a 5. Yeah, that's a 5. That's a 5, boy. God damn. That shit hurt like a bitch. God damn.
I might be trying to water gun it, man, but I ain't macking here, man.
Boy, my eyes.
What's up?
God damn. I'm sweating, boy.
Who tried this?
That's all him.
Yo, all legal and permitted, by the way, bro.
Hey.
Yeah, bro.
See, we do not condone and takeovers.
Nobody does it like Elite does it.
I say that, man. Say it one more time, man.
Nobody does it like Elite does it.
Yeah, I know what it is.
God damn. But we don't condone the takeovers. You see, it's illegal, and it's definitely illegal. Look at the tire marks, bro. Dog. This is thread. Hell yeah, nigga.
That boy hit that shit.
I said that boy on there. That was my drink like what's on there? Hit that motherfucker. Let it rip.
God damn.